Hope you enjoyed the UNIX Connection. And it's no secret. We want you to show it to your clients, too. The story designed to get people excited, stir up questions, encourage customers to wonder what this new PC will do for them. That's where you come in. It's your job to show customers how the PC 7300 can solve everyday business problems. How do you do that? By being a detective, by digging for information, looking for clues. The applications are out there. Accounting firms, legal offices, banks, and branches of big companies, car dealerships, and retail shops, stockbrokers' offices. Any place a really smart PC can make a difference. You know, everybody and his brother is out there selling really smart PCs. I don't have to tell you that. But here's something I can tell you. You've got the drop on them because nobody else can give them what you can. A total communications processor. Just think about it for a minute. AT&T has always had a highly sophisticated terminal that everybody wants to get their hands on. An old pal of yours, as a matter of fact. You got it. The telephone. That's your ace to play. PC 7300 also has a built-in modem for data communications and 2 tip-ring voice data lines. Just plug in your phone. See how easy it is? Now, get your directory on the screen. Who do you want to call? Let's try this one. There you go. Line is busy? Wow. Hit last number redial. While we're waiting, let's check for messages. The record keeper automatically keeps a history of all your calls. Time them if you want to. Get the picture? The telephone is integrated into the computer. And with all these features, don't forget this is a personal computer. A UNIX System 5 personal computer. I know, you've heard stories about UNIX being hard to use. Let's put them to rest right now. This isn't just a laboratory UNIX, not by a long shot. AT&T's included a user-friendly agent, a bunch of invisible commands to crack the code for non-programmers. To make life easy, AT&T is going to put this user agent in every PC 7300. Look how simple it is to send a message through electronic mail. And here's your wastebasket, the old round file, for a little house cleaning. And even though the user agent makes things easy for the novice, experienced programmers can bypass the agent and take full advantage of those powerful UNIX utilities. But there's still more. My little buddy here, the mouse. Sure, the keyboard is detachable, easy to use, and has the standard cursor controls. The mouse is also a convenient way to move the cursor. What else does UNIX System 5 give you? Multitasking. The ability to do 3, 4, 5 things at once. We've already seen examples of this. So let me show you how you would keep track of those operations once they're started. This is a window. It's created to monitor an operation. You see? You can get graphics going in one window, put a report in another one. Want to edit a file? No problem. You just shrink these down and add one more. Want to get a hard copy? You got a choice. Letter quality or draft quality. The option is there. You decide which you need. So you've already started adding points to your sale. All right, now, let's see what we can do with AT&T's networking capabilities. The PC 7300 has 3 expansion slots, 2 tip ring ports, a parallel printer port, and an RS-232 port. You can begin to see the possibilities. The printer is already hooked up. Connect the terminal to the RS-232. Use the tip ring ports for your phone or for remote data access. Call a mainframe, a 3B2, another PC 7300, or a data service. It's as easy as a voice call, because once the connection is made, the terminal emulation mode is automatically invoked. For other protocols, just plug in a protocol converter, and you're in business. But networking is a whole other subject. Let's step back and look at the big picture. You've got the telephone connection. You've got the UNIX System 5. You've got standard connections. And don't forget the Windows, the user-friendly interface. And this little guy here, the mouse. You put it together, you've got more for the money than anybody else out there on the market. Anybody. All you've got to do is a little digging and find out what your customer needs and then plan a system. So read the literature. And then read it again. Check the 7300 out. Get to know its features, how its power translates into performance, how easy it is to use. You'll see that it is the stuff that dreams are made of. And it could be the beginning of a beautiful friendship.